Hello everybody, today we're gonna replace the air filter on my Fiat Tipo. You need simple tools for that. Socket number 7 is necessary to open the bolts, 3 bolts here and 1 bolt that is close to the turbo, and I'm showing you. First of all, you have to remove the cover and then the air mass flow sensor, and then opening the bolts. Simply pull the cover up so now you can see that this hose is connected to the turbo right here, and the size of this screw, this bolt, is 7, like the bolts that are on the air filter cover. First of all, we have to remove the air mass flow sensor. To do that, you should pull out the yellow tune. You can push and pull it out. Sometimes it's a little tricky. Now we're gonna use the socket number 7 to open the bolts. These clamps don't allow us to remove the hose and the cover, so we have to remove these 2 bolts too, and we need a socket number 10 to do that. So when you open these 2 bolts, you can easily pull it out. And for the cover, it's really easy. Now the bolts are opened already, so and you pulled it out. And this is our filter. It seems dirty. We can clean inside the chamber, and then we can put our new filter. I'm going to show you inside the throttle body. As you can see, the throttle body is pretty clean, and you can also see the turbo blades. The new filter and the old one, as you can see, they have the same size, the same shape. And it fits the chamber perfectly. Now easily put the cover . After tightening the bolts, insert the mass airflow sensor harness. Put the cover and it's done.